Hey guys, today in this video we are going to deploy pretty MD WhatsApp bot on Railway for free. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open the link from description, start and forget I have already done, and then scroll down and click on get pair code and link your device from here, from pair site 1, pair site 2 and pair site 3 as you wish what you are selecting. Now open the Railway app from description and click on new button and then click on GitHub repository, and from here select your pretty MD bot. Our deployment is now started. Now we have to add the variables. Click on variables and add new variables and type session-id and paste your session ID here, and then click on add and then deploy, and wait few minutes before the deployment is now started. This will take 4 to 5 minutes. Our bot is now successfully deployed. Now we will check the bot. Our bot is now connected and we will type simply .menu and our menu is loading. You can see here our bot is working successfully. So like and subscribe and share the video with your friends and enjoy the bot.